Hello, Instagram enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your story game with some amazing filters? Today, I'm going to show you how to search for and apply the coolest filters on Instagram. Whether you're looking to add a touch of glamour or a fun animation to your posts, I've got you covered. So, let's dive in and start filtering. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch your Instagram app and head to your home feed. Step 2. Access the camera. Swipe left or tap the icon on the top left corner to open your story camera. Step 3. Browse effects. Swipe all the way to the right in the filter carousel until you see the Browse Effects button, represented by a magnifying glass. Step 4. Search for filters. Tap on the magnifying glass to open the effect gallery. Here, you can explore popular filters or search for something specific. Step 5. Use the search bar. If you have a particular filter in mind, tap the search icon in the top right corner and type in the name of the filter or the creator's username. Select and try. Once you find the filter you like, select it to see a preview. You can try it out by tapping Try It On. Step 6. Save your favorite. If you love the filter and want to use it again, tap the download icon to save it to your filter dock. Create your story. Now that you've chosen your filter, record your video or take a photo, and share it with your followers, and that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can find and use any filter to make your Instagram stories pop.